I'm going to show you how to use Cloud CMA in conjunction with some deal analysis. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and establish a baseline value of a piece of property, and then we will we'll analyze the numbers and figure out what we need to get that property for. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and go to the dashboard, click on Cloud CMA. Okay, now that you're in Cloud CMA, we're going to click on CMA. And we're going to create a new CMA report. We're going to use a subject property that I'm going to go ahead and analyze right here. I'm just going to copy that address. For the client, you can just go ahead and put the address of the subject property, which is fine. So we're going to go ahead and do the quick and dirty report. We'll automatically find listings near the subject properties, and we'll only go back 6 months. Now typically I like to do a 3 months, which is 90 days, but for the sake of not knowing this area too well, it may not have a lot of deal flow happening in it, so we'll go back 6 months and see what it pulls up. Okay, so here we are. We have a summary of our listings. We have active, expired, sold, withdrawn, canceled, backup. The only ones that we're going to use are the active, the sold, and the backup. We're going to get rid of the rest of these. And the purple house is our subject property. And then what I usually do is I'll just go down the list and uncheck the ones that we do not want. So this is withdrawn. These are sold. These are canceled. Get rid of these. We have 2 actives and we have 2 backups. So we have these closed sales here. We have a 2-bed. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that. So we have these closed deals that we'll just keep, because I like to try to have 3 of everything: 3 solds, 3 backups, and 3 actives. So right here we have a low, a median, average, and a high price. And we'll just go ahead and customize our report. Oh wait, let's go ahead and look at the proximity. Yeah, this is way out there. This one for 105. But we could keep that in there. We'll go ahead and keep it in. Okay, so we're done with this. We're going to go ahead and view this. And the way I like to organize things is I like to go ahead and download these PDFs, and I usually attach it to the seller lead inside of Podio. So we have all of our records. We have our realist report. We have our CMA report, all nice and neat in our seller lead, and we have access to that at all time. That way you can access it through your phone or your iPad or your laptop. So my feeling with this property is it would be safe to price it at an aggressive 130, which would be considerably lower than the other subject properties. I think 130 is completely safe. You can still make a bit of money on it. We'll jump over here to our spreadsheet, punch in 130, And because it's a newer home, I'm not going to put any repair costs in there. I won't put any profit in there. So that'll give us, it will give us a, an offer that we want to make on the property. We want to have a real aggressive offer, 77. 91 would be good. So with that in mind, this isn't really going to be a wholesale deal. It will be what we call a wholesale deal, and I will take this property, buy it, put it on the MLS, and list it, and sell it for 130. So I'll buy it for around 91, 92,000, and then list it for 130, and then make the spread in between. Okay, well that about does it for showing you how to do a CMA report in Cloud CMA and analyzing a property. Thanks, and if you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email.